we have to use this workforce, deploy it. So it requires we maintain continuous growth, suck in this thing. But it requires that we accept that there is a need to reorient many things. Yeah, for example, we need to get out of this idea that we'll be able to educate this workforce by building ever more colleges. There's no time to do this. We have already, that spike has already happened. Okay. So that's the spike in the youth that go to universities is now in the next 5 years. So consequently, if that spike is true, it's a waste of time building ever more colleges. By the time those universities and colleges come on stream, we will already be on the other side of this. It takes decades to build real great institutions. So my own view is max out the ones we have right now. 2, use artificial intelligence and other training tools to basically deploy people into the workforce fast, rather than have this slow moving attitude that then we will have universities, then people will go to them. You will miss the train. In fact, other countries have already had this problem. Korea, for example, created all these universities and all of these things. Now they are finding it difficult to fill them. Japan has a difficulty filling up its universities, schools, and other institutions. So don't spend huge amount of time building ever more institutions. This is the moment. Max them out. Building another campus with 300 acres and all that, no time. If you have a campus with 300 acres, fill it out with buildings and get on with it.
So are you trying to say that like the formal education which is there in India as of now, like universities, undergrad thing, that is something which is not needed as such, or it's more like,
first of all, we don't have time to build old style universities. Yeah. Secondly, artificial intelligence has already made it outdated. Okay, why on earth do you need to do lecture based classrooms in the time of artificial intelligence and YouTube? Frankly, what topic do you want? You can find the best guy in the world and listen to that person. Why do you need to listen to your own professor? So listen to whoever you want. It's free. Right? What you need universities to do instead is not waste their resources on giving more lectures. Whatever resources they have, they should orient towards testing, maybe towards group practical kind of stuff, maybe apprenticeships and research. But because you're not spending your resources, which is eating so much resources up, which is lecturing, it then means we can educate a lot more people. If there is somebody who can give a very good lecture on subject X, let that person give one good lecture on subject X and film it and put it on YouTube. And then artificial intelligence can actually take your papers and ask Q&A, do all kinds of things of your YouTube lecture, answer questions. Why do you need the large numbers of professors standing up, delivering the same lecture every year, answering the same questions to everybody?
If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.